Hello everyone. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how do you join a meeting on Teams. So there's a couple of ways where you can join a meeting or on a Teams, a Teams meeting. So firstly, what you can do is open the Teams application. So once you're on your Teams application, whether on the browser or the desktop application, either way, it's the same thing. So what you can do, so open it, and then once you've logged in, you've opened the application and logged in. On your left side here, you'll see a calendar option here. Click on it. So here you should be able to see all the meetings that you're currently committed to. So if you want to join a meeting just before it starts or or once it's in progress, you will see, for example, this meeting just started. So I'm going to join this, but when I click on it, when I hover my mouse on it, I will see an option called join button here. So all I have to do now is click on join. All right, so you can join here. So what you can do here, you can check your camera settings. If you want to turn on your camera settings, you can turn on your camera and your mic, and then once you're all good and ready, so you can just click on join now, and that's it. That's how you join a meeting. And suppose you can there's another way that you can join. For example, if you have received an email link, for example, all right, so for example here, so I received a meeting invite. So from okay, so I've received a meeting invite. So if I open that email, I will see a link here to join. So this is the meeting that I got invited to, so I'm going to join this meeting. So what I have, if I scroll down, I will see an option here. It's like click here to join the meeting. So all I have to do now is just click on it to join the meeting. So I will click on it, and then I can either use my desktop app, or I can use the browser, or I can also use my mobile application if I have downloaded it. So these three ways. So either one of these, you can just click on it, and then you should be able to join the meeting. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.